Hi everyone, hope you're well. Back in the Valve Automation Centre today, so just another quick video just to show you what we're working on. A little bit of a different package today. We've got an EBRO butterfly valve that's it's actually PTFE lined and coated, so the disc has actually got a coating on there. You'll notice we've got this little earthing strap on the body as well. It's actually a lugged body, so we've got the lugs all the way around that are drilled and tapped so the customer can fit it in line. We're fitting it with the Atreg ASR spring return actuator. We've got a PMV P5 positioner on the top, and then the customer's just asked us to fit this this gauge and filter regulator and pipe it into the positioner for him using the site standard that they use at their particular site. So just a little bit of a different package today, something different to be working on. Just got to do the final function test on this, test the positioner, put it through all the different positions that you need to go to, and you'll notice that the disc is in the open position. It's actually a fail open valve, fail open actuator, but the customer still wants it to perform traditionally with 3 to 15 psi signal, the 3 being closed and the 15 being open. So it's a little bit of a tricky one just to get everything in the right order, but we'll get that sorted out for the customer, and that can leave today. So just thought I'd show you that. Thanks very much for watching.